Greetings, my disciples. It is I, Terry Tyler, storm chaser, entrepreneur, YouTube creator, and I am here to talk to you today about something that is near and dear to my heart. It is chasing your dreams and going all the way despite what other people may think about you. As a mentally ill, deranged, felon, schizophrenic freak that the world seems to discriminate and hate, I know the feeling of fear to step outside of your comfort zone, to, create things that may inspire hate or fear or panic from people that don't necessarily have the same belief set as you. Now, if you're a homosexual or a person of color or a person of disability or a minority, and you feel that expressing your views is going to get you stifled and crushed as a creator, do not let that stop you. Do not let that stop you. That is fear. And fear will kill you as a creator. It takes a lot of guts to get out here like I am and to create things. Anybody can create mashups like I've created. Anybody can take somebody else's shit and put it out there like I have. But it takes a special type of person to create your own stuff and bring new life and new breath to the world. And chances are, if you're feeling fear, you have something special to offer the world. And so I want to challenge you today. Do not be stifled. You create your channel. You create your Facebook page. You create your image. You go out into the world and you do what it is that you feel is going to make the world a better place. Any fool can hate and cast down and fuck people over and cheat people over. But it takes a real motherfucker to get out there and try to help people out. And Terry Tyler may be a piece of shit. Terry Tyler may be a schizo weirdo. But at the end of the day, Terry Tyler cares about you. So I want you to go ahead and subscribe below. And I want you to take this message and run with it. If you're watching this video, chances are you're using the YouTube platform. And chances are you can be in my shoes. You can have a nice green screen and a media lab, and you could do more with it than I am. So go ahead, check out some of my storm chasing videos. Check out the 8 Hours That Could Change Your Life series. I've got some cool mentors on there, 8-hour videos. They'll rock your socks. And also, don't forget to subscribe below. Keep creating and keep kicking ass. Peace.